Hey y'all, Simone Nicole back with another Amazon wig review and unboxing. So let's get right into it. If y'all watched the video before this, then y'all know that I've got like 4 body wave wigs that ship back to back from Amazon, and I really can't tell them apart. So go back to the first video and watch that unboxing because that wig was chef's kiss. And now we're gonna open one of these two. I don't know which is which really because they don't really say the names on the packages. And yeah, but that first wig was bomb. Link right here to go watch that real quick. Video's not long, but that wig was bomb. Like if y'all looking for a bomb body wave wig with a full frontal from Amazon, please watch that video. Next, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this one. All 3 of the wigs were 24 inches and one of them is 26 inches that's on the way. Yeah, so this is a 13x4 wig. So I'm assuming this has to be 13x6, and then there's another 13x6 coming. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this one. The brand is CHCHS. That's literally the name. This is what the bag looks like. Like I was telling y'all, there's no like name on it, so I didn't know which was which. But once I took it out, I could kind of read that and know which wig this is. So it comes in this bag. Ooh. Oh, I had some gifts fell out. A little surprise. Looking pretty long. It's looking true to link. So what fell out was some Choijing New High. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that because I don't want to be disrespectful, but some eyelashes. I will not be wearing these because I'm sorry, no. Freshman year me would have, not today. Wig caps per usual. It's a pretty good shade. And the wig. That looks like 24 inches, and then at the end it's also curling up so it's not falling all the way. Let's take it out and see. Is my lash messed up? All right, so straight out the bag. This is what we got. Let's take off the net. Super pretty. Look how pretty that is. Like, ugh. Every time I open these wigs up, it must be Christmas because y'all would not believe if I told y'all this is another full frontal. Look at this, y'all. I promise y'all this is not the same wig I just unboxed. Like, and that's 4 inches. That looks pretty deep. Like, look how deep that parting is. Look how deep it is on the side. 13x4. So the previous wig is very, very similar to this one. One thing I'm noticing about this is that the knots on this are very, very small. And it comes with like a pre-part. Like they gave me a middle part already, so points for that. And the knots on this wig are small all around, so that looks great. I can just tell this wig is gonna bleach great and look very natural. Let's see if we're getting shedding. I got one piece that time. I did kind of give it like a hard tug. Okay, I don't know what kind of wigs they giving out for the summer, but so far these wigs are looking like really good quality. Very minimal shedding. I got one piece there, but for the most part that was another one. I got one that time. It's very minimal shedding. Look at the luster. I'm excited for this wig as well, just like the previous one. Super soft. Only thing I will say, this wig is soft. This wig is shiny. That first wig that I just reviewed was a tad bit softer and it did feel a little bit thicker. But keep in mind that this wig is a little cheaper, and I don't think this one is 180 density, but this wig is still full. Look at this. A full lace, transparent lace, super small knots. It comes pre-parted. 24 inches. It's true to length. And then like it's really just a full frontal for me. Minimal shedding. The hair is soft, shiny, bouncy. For this to be 150 density, I'm assuming, and you're only paying $85. Definitely would buy this wig. Yeah, this wig feels bomb, y'all. So I'm gonna go and customize the wigs, bleach the knots, which are, I mean, these knots are like really, really small. When I'm holding it up like this in the light and I'm looking at it, like it's hard to see the knots. I'm bleach them still though. Pluck the hairline, even though I think this is pre-plucked. Yeah, it does say pre-plucked in the description. Pre-plucked. I'm still gonna pluck it. and then I'm going to style it and come back and review it that way, so you guys stay tuned to see the full review on this wig. Again, I just can't stress how deep the parting is, and then the fact that they're giving you a full frontal like that is already getting 10 points for me. And it kind of looks deeper than a 13x4 if you ask me. The part goes all the way. It's kind of hard to just show it that way, but look, the parting is deep. So this is the wig, y'all. $84, 24 inches, 13x4, pre-plucked, comes parted already, comes a little bit plucked. Knots are super small for only $85. Also, I know y'all are wondering about this hair, and y'all already know this is an Amazon wig, like all my wigs that I wear. This wig was $137 on Amazon. It's on my storefront. The name is RLTEO 13x4 deep wave wig in 20 inches. Y'all should see it on my storefront. It gives real natural. I didn't used to like these really short wigs, but ever since I started wearing them, this is literally, I'd be excited to get these kind of wigs. Like, I went out my way to get this wig just because I love short curly hair now, because it just looks so natural to me, the baby hairs with the short curls. So yeah, this is on my storefront. Definitely gonna get y'all a wig like this. I have a tutorial on my channel with this wig as well as an unboxing, so y'all definitely check that out, and I'll link that right here for y'all. And if y'all want to see the third wig that got shipped, the third body wave wig, which is a 13x6, then watch my next video where I'll be opening that wig, and then the one after that where I install it. So honestly, I knew when I got this wig that I was gonna do a side part with this because how deep the lace is all around. This wig is a full lace, clearly. The lace is thick all the way through. So 10 out of 10, 5 stars for that, because I love wigs like that. And I prefer wigs like that because you could do more. Not the biggest fan of the wigs where it's like the big lace in the middle and the inch on the sides. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10 as far as the lace goes. And I mean, that looks like skin to me. Like, it's giving scalp, literally. So I just wanted to show y'all the hair like this. I haven't added any makeup to the lace. I haven't done anything to the lace besides the bleaching that I did, and I plucked it, but I haven't like added any makeup or anything here, or even plucked it. Like, this is just it from being bleached. So y'all see what I'm saying about the full frontals and how they just look so realistic? Like, from right here, this is giving a sew-in with leave out. Like, this is giving, this is my leave out, but it's not. This is lace. Look, bomb, 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 bomb AF. So yeah, y'all, this is the final look. Let me know in the comments how y'all like it. Honestly, I think I just kind of want to like straighten it out a little bit more, because I mean, if y'all been watching me for a while, y'all know I don't always do curls like this. I usually just straighten the hair, and I do like curls, but sometimes I feel like curls are tricky. So this side I like, and then, you know, I don't know, I think it looks good though. Baby hairs are eating, and yeah, so this is it, y'all. So y'all, this unit was beautiful. I love the full lace on this unit, like I mentioned so many times. If you're looking for a really full wig, this might not be the wig for you, but this wig is only $85, and it has a full frontal. It's super soft, the knots are small. The link to this unit is on my storefront. This is a CHCHS unit, and it's on my storefront. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make sure to like the video, comment any questions or comments you have, and subscribe. And I love y'all so much. Bye.